You know that spinach artichoke dip we all love? Well, today we're making baked chicken pasta with those flavors. So first we're gonna season our already diced chicken. You can see it's just about bite size. It doesn't have to be very small. And we're going to season it, just add a little bit of olive oil. And then the seasonings I have right here are garlic powder, cracked black pepper, salt, thyme and oregano, and then a little bit of crushed red chili flakes. And if you don't like any spice, then that's fine, leave that out. Just gonna dump those in there. And then we're gonna give it a good massage. Get all that seasoning nice into the chicken. And then I'll be right back. I'm gonna go wash my hands. We're gonna add about 4 or 5 cloves of minced garlic to that chicken and give it a good mix up. And you can season your chicken well ahead of time if you want to break this up into steps. If you're getting, ready for something else, or if it just works easier for you, you can season your chicken up to, the whole day ahead. So then everything just gets added in layers. I always like to start with just a drizzle of olive oil on the bottom. And today we're using brown rice, gluten-free pasta, but of course you can use any kind of pasta you like. This works equally well with any type. Now we'll add in our chicken that we seasoned up. One of the main ingredients, our stars of our show, is artichoke hearts. And you're gonna add a whole can along with the liquid, and this is gonna help cook the pasta and give us that artichoke flavor. I always get nervous with these peel-off cans. It's important to struggle with your artichokes for a minute. All right, and then you wanna break those up a little bit. You can just break them with your hands so that everybody gets some artichokes and there's no fights at the table. Supporting role in this spinach artichoke chicken is spinach. So spinach is going in there, and I'm using half a bag of frozen spinach. You could use fresh spinach, but I think why not use frozen in this one? It works well. It has a lot of moisture in it, so it will also help cook the pasta. For some of that creamy texture, we're gonna use Boursin, and I'm just using the chive and garlic flavor. It really doesn't matter which flavor you use. They're all savory and delicious. You wanna just break that in here. Now we're gonna give it a little bit of a stir to distribute some of the ingredients. That's good. We're just trying to get things kind of spread out a little bit. So now we're just gonna season this top layer a little bit. Since we had only seasoned the chicken, we wanna make sure all those vegetables are nice and seasoned. That's a little bit of chili pepper and a little bit of our oregano and thyme. Now at this phase, we're just gonna cover it tightly with foil, and we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Then we're gonna add some shredded mozzarella and about a cup of Parmesan. Do just a little drizzle of olive oil over the top, and back in the oven for 30 minutes, 400 degrees. Thanks for watching, and let me know, what are your favorite combinations of vegetables for chicken?